Hey there, YouTubers. This is a response video to Zulu's What's on Your Workbench challenge. Now, my workbench hasn't changed since my videos much, but I'm going to show it anyways. Question is, what's not on my workbench, I guess. Over here, got cylinder head, all the valves are in it. Then back here, I got my camshafts and rocker arms, hoses for that engine, for that Jeep. Here's the other cylinder head. Here is all the lifters. Got some paint for the block once I get it put together. Here is all the pistons. I got all the pistons cleaned up, got all the piston rings put in them. And this is just the tools I use to take the engine apart. There's the oil pickup. Got my battery charger for my new Ryobi tools that my wife bought me. And then I got my Ryobi grinder with a brush on it and a grinding wheel. These are from my work. Cylinder hones, I gotta hone the engine. Got a heater back here for winter time. Got a little 4-inch vise right here. And that's pretty much it for my workbench. Now, a little background on this workbench, I'm not gonna be able to show you, but my neighbor built a workbench identical to this one. And he showed it to me and I liked it so much, he said, hey, go buy the wood and we'll put one in your garage. This bench is foldable. You see there's this hinge right there. See if I can get back here. And there's hinges back there. And I can fold my workbench flat on the wall when I don't want my workbench up if I need more room in my garage. So once again, this is for Zulu. Go check his site out. He's got an awesome early 90s Mustang, white Mustang. Love those cars. And he's got a nice old white Corvette. And he's got some power into that Mustang. And it's a really cool looking car. So go check his channel out, Zulu. And this is the What's on Your Workbench challenge.